Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Adams Polishes 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher. Buffer Car Scratch Remover for car detailing. The Adams Polishes 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher is a game changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed to deliver professional-grade results, this powerful yet user-friendly tool is perfect for removing scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation while restoring your vehicle's showroom shine. Featuring a 9mm Orbit stroke, this polisher ensures efficient paint correction without the risk of damaging your car's finish. Its dual-action design combines the safety of a random orbital motion with the power of a forced rotation, making it ideal for beginners and experts. The lightweight, ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the variable speed control, 2800–6800 OPM, allows for precise adjustments to tackle any detailing task. The polisher comes with a premium 12-foot power cord for unrestricted movement and a 5-inch backing plate compatible with most foam or microfiber pads. Whether you're removing light scratches, applying wax, or polishing to a mirror-like finish, the Adams Polishes 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher is your ultimate tool for achieving flawless results. Elevate your car detailing game with this reliable, high-performance buffer. Number 2. Chemical Guys BUF _503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher, the ultimate tool for professional-grade detailing. The Chemical Guys BUF _503X TORQX Random Orbital Polisher is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Designed to deliver flawless results, this powerful yet user-friendly tool is perfect for achieving a showroom-quality finish on any vehicle. Its 10-foot power cord provides ample reach, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. The BUF _503X features a 5/16" orbit, which minimizes swirl marks and holograms, making it ideal for both beginners and experts. The polisher operates at speeds between 2,800 and 4,800 OPM, orbits per minute, offering precise control for various detailing tasks, from paint correction to wax application. The included 5-inch backing plate is compatible with a wide range of pads, allowing for versatility in your detailing projects. Safety is a priority with the BUF _503X, as it includes a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overheating. Whether you're removing scratches, applying sealants, or polishing to a mirror-like shine, the Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher is a must-have tool for achieving professional results with ease. Number 3. Buffer Polisher. SPTA 5-inch 125mm Dual Action Random Orbital Car Polisher, Ultimate Car Detailing Kit. Transform your car detailing experience with the SPTA 5-inch 125mm Dual Action Random Orbital Car Polisher. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this versatile tool delivers a flawless finish while minimizing the risk of swirl marks or paint damage. Its dual-action random orbital motion ensures smooth, even polishing, making it perfect for removing scratches, oxidation, and imperfections. The kit includes 4 pieces of 5-inch and 4 pieces of 6-inch polishing pads, catering to a variety of detailing needs. Whether you're applying wax, compounding, or finishing, these high-quality pads provide exceptional performance. The included packing bag ensures easy storage and portability, keeping your tools organized and ready for use. With an ergonomic design and lightweight construction, the SPTA polisher reduces fatigue during extended use. Its powerful motor and variable speed control, 2,000 to 6,800 RPM, allow for precise adjustments, ensuring optimal results on any surface. Elevate your car care routine with this all-in-one detailing kit, the ultimate solution for achieving a showroom quality finish. Number 4. Avid Power Buffer Polisher, the ultimate tool for car detailing. The Avid Power Buffer Polisher is a game-changer for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. This 6-inch dual-action DA polisher is designed to deliver exceptional results, making car detailing easier and more efficient. Its random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free finish, while the variable speed control allows you to adjust the tool to suit different tasks, from light polishing to heavy correction. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue. The polisher comes with a 10-foot power cord, providing ample reach for larger vehicles. Included in the kit are a 6-inch hook and loop backing plate, a polishing foam pad, and a user-friendly side handle for better control. Whether you're applying wax, polishing scratches, or restoring your car's shine, the Avid Power Buffer Polisher is a reliable and versatile tool. It's perfect for beginners and experts, offering professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Elevate your car detailing game with this powerful and easy-to-use polisher. Number 5. BATOCA S4 Cordless Polisher for Car Detailing. The BATOCA S4 Cordless Polisher is a versatile and powerful tool designed for professional-grade car detailing. Equipped with both rotary buffer and dual-action polisher functions, it offers flexibility for various polishing, waxing, and buffing tasks. Whether you're working on a large surface or tackling intricate areas, the included 1-inch and 3-inch backing plates ensure precision and efficiency. Powered by a brushless motor, the S4 delivers consistent performance with reduced noise and heat, ensuring durability and reliability. The cordless design, supported by two 12-volt 2.5Ah batteries, provides unmatched portability, allowing you to work without the hassle of cords. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing user fatigue. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, the BATOCA S4 is perfect for achieving a showroom quality finish on cars, boats, and other surfaces. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this polisher is a must-have for anyone serious about car care. Elevate your detailing game with the BATOCA S4 Cordless Polisher.